Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the NYX Butter Gloss. So this is a lip gloss by NYX Cosmetics, which is a professional cosmetics brand, but it's a professional brand that you can get anywhere really. So I have it in the color Eclair, which is BLGO2 is the number. It comes in a few different colors. I tried to get it in the most nude pinkish color possible. It says, "Butter me up with divine gloss that feels like it melts on lips." Which is pretty true. It doesn't feel like your typical gloss. It's not super sticky. It's really nice. That's like always. You know, I like how gloss looks. I just usually don't like how it feels. But this one is pretty good. I mean, of course it is a little bit sticky because it is gloss at the end of the day, but it still feels nice and it doesn't dry my lips out. Usually when I wear lip gloss, I have to keep applying it throughout the day, otherwise once it dries, like right along my waterline, it gets really dry and like turns white and it just doesn't look good. It's better to not wear anything at all than to wear those lip glosses. This one does not do that. So, alright, so let's see, this is a 0.27 fluid ounce bottle, so it's pretty small, or tube, so it's really small, easy to carry, easy to just throw in your bag, you can fit it anywhere. Alright, so let's see. Like I said, this is, clear that up a little bit, in the color Clear. It's a butter gloss, which I think is the key. The fact that it says butter gloss, like it really is, I think that's really the key to like the texture. So the main ingredient in here says mineral oil, which is really interesting because with most products like this, the first ingredient is water. So I don't know, that just might also help in getting that buttery texture. I mean, I assume it would. So yeah, it lists all of your ingredients on the bag and it comes in French and English. Alright. There you go, made in PRC. Wow, I don't really know. What's PRC? I'm gonna have to look that up. I don't know what that is. And then it has their website, nyxcosmetics.com, where you can get a lot of other products. You can get it on Amazon as well. And then the tube is recyclable and cruelty-free, which is always nice to know. I always like to know that the products I'm getting were not tested on animals or anything like that. So yes, let's go ahead and open this up. The wand has a little angle, which is really nice. The applicator does, which is nice because you get nice even application, even though it's a lip gloss, so it's a pretty nude color. Like, it's almost clear, to be honest. Like, alright, I'll go ahead and put a little bit on to just do like a little swatch. It's a little bit pink. It's pretty sheer. You can kind of see it. And it like almost disappears. So it's pretty sheer. So it's not bad to apply at all because of that. So yeah, and it's pretty simple, it's just like your pretty typical lip gloss, but I highly recommend this one over most other lip glosses that I've tried. I honestly am trying to think right now, and I like can't even think of a lip gloss that I've tried that wasn't really sticky, didn't dry out my lips or anything like that. And usually what I use this for, actually, I have a NYX lip plumper in like sheer pink as well, so I like to put that on, and then I put this on over it to just kind of warm up my lips a little bit and make the color a little bit more natural, because I didn't get the lip plumper in just a regular clear. It's like a sheer pink, so it's almost like a holographic type of pink, so it's really interesting when I put it on, and I don't really like the color, so I like putting this over it. Or sometimes I'll put this over just any other lipstick if I want to add a gloss, because it's pink, but it's very subtle pink when you put it on. So it's nice to, if you want to add and it's not way too glossy. So it's nice if you want to add a little bit of gloss, a little bit of shine to the other lipstick. If you have like a matte lipstick or something like that, this is a really good product to put on over it as well, because it's going to just give you just that little bit of extra shine to a matte lipstick that maybe you don't want it to be matte that day, you want to wear that color. kind of want to change it up, you're not really into the matte that specific day, this is a really good product to put on over, to layer. This is a good, that's the word I'm looking for. It's a good layering product. I usually, when I put this on, I don't put anything over it, but I will use this over other products. I'll use it over another lip gloss or another lipstick, whether it's a lip stain, a lip-on lipstick, a tube, like a regular stick lipstick. It works really well. You just have to make sure that if you are going to put it on over another lipstick, that you let the other lipstick dry, because then this applicator is going to have that color all over it. Unless you have other disposable applicators, then to each their own. If you want it to not wait till it dried. Yeah, I personally just don't like getting other colors on it, so I always just make sure that it dries because I don't have to use another applicator. So yeah, gloss, really, really great lip gloss, highly recommended. It does come in a few other colors. Most of them all are still going to give you that sheer look. So it's more like just a tinted lip gloss, I guess. But yeah, I would highly recommend it for supple, for either to use on its own or to pair with other different lipsticks. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.